Front-end developer interview practice questions, set 3. Question 1. Which CSS property is used to control the text color? A. Color. B. Font color. C. Text color. D. Background color. The correct answer is A. Color. The color property is used to define text color in CSS. Question 2. What does the class attribute do in HTML? A. Defines CSS styles for an element. B. Sets the ID of an element. C. Contains text content for an element. D. Provides a label for an element. The correct answer is A. Defines CSS styles for an element. The class attribute is used to associate styles and elements. Question 3. Which of the following is not a valid JavaScript loop? A. For. B. While. C. Repeat. D. Do while. The correct answer is C. Repeat. There is no repeat loop in JavaScript. Use for or while. Question 4. What is the purpose of the z-index CSS property? A. Sets the opacity level of an element. B. Sets the stacking order of elements. C. Defines element height. D. Aligns elements vertically. The correct answer is B. Sets the stacking order of elements. Z-index controls the stacking order of elements along the z-axis. Question 5. Which of the following is used to select an HTML element by its class name? A. Get element by class. B. Get element by ID. C. Query selector all. D. Get elements by class name. The correct answer is D. Get elements by class name. Get elements by class name selects elements with a specific class name. Question 6. What does padding do in CSS? A. Creates space outside an element. B. Creates space inside an element. C. Changes the font size. D. Adds a border around an element. The correct answer is B. Creates space inside an element. Padding defines the space between an element's content and its border. Question 7. Which of these methods is used to change the content of an HTML element in JavaScript? A. Set content. B. Inner HTML. C. Inner text. D. SetText. The correct answer is B. Inner HTML. Inner HTML is used to get or set HTML content inside an element. Question 8. Which of the following is used to define JavaScript functions? A. Function. B. Func. C. Define. D. Method. The correct answer is A. Function. Functions are defined using the function keyword in JavaScript. Question 9. What is the purpose of the this keyword in JavaScript? A. Refers to the parent element. B. Refers to the global object. C. Refers to the current object. D. Refers to the constructor function. The correct answer is C. Refers to the current object. The this keyword refers to the current object in context. Question 10. What does the display flex property do in CSS? A. Makes an element inline. B. Aligns elements in a column or row. C. Adds a border to elements. D. Sets element width. The correct answer is B. Aligns elements in a column or row. Display flex allows for flexible layouts with aligned items. Question 11. Which of the following is a CSS preprocessor? A. Sass. B. JavaScript. C. HTML. D. PHP. The correct answer is A. Sass. Sass is a popular CSS preprocessor that adds advanced features. Question 12. What is the purpose of the align items property in Flexbox? A. Aligns content within the element. B. Aligns elements along the cross-axis. C. Sets text alignment. D. Defines the order of elements. The correct answer is B. Aligns elements along the cross-axis. Align items aligns flex container items along the cross-axis. Question 13. Which of the following CSS properties defines the space between rows in a grid? A. Grid gap. B. Row gap. C. Gap. D. Column gap. The correct answer is B. Row gap. Row gap defines space between rows in a CSS grid layout. Question 14. Which of these is used to create a new array in JavaScript? A. New array. B. Array.new. C. Create array. D. New list. The correct answer is A. New array. New array creates a new array in JavaScript. Question 15. What is the use of the alt attribute in an image tag? A. Defines a background color for the image. B. Provides alternative text when the image cannot be loaded. C. Sets a link to the image. D. Defines the size of the image. The correct answer is B. Provides alternative text when the image cannot be loaded. The alt attribute provides alternative text for accessibility or when an image is unavailable. Question 16. Which of the following methods is used to get the first child element of a parent? A. First child. B. First element child. C. Get first child. D. Child element first. The correct answer is B. First element child. First element child returns the first child element of a parent. Question 17. Which of the following is the correct way to comment in JavaScript? The correct answer is A. Question 18. Which of the following is not a valid HTML5 input type? A. Text. B. Number. C. Date. D. Email address. The correct answer is D. Email address. The correct input type is email, not email address. Question 19. What is the purpose of the position CSS property? A. Sets element font size. B. Defines element's layout position on the page. C. Sets element text alignment. D. Sets the visibility of an element. The correct answer is B. Defines element's layout position on the page. Position defines an element's position within the document flow. Question 20. Which of the following is used to import a CSS file into HTML? The correct answer is B. Link. Link is used to import an external CSS file into HTML.